Global Perspectives is a 21st century skill-based subject that transcends the conventional boundaries of the already existing learning styles. Being an educator, this subject is very close to my heart as it encourages the students to reflect on the contemporary challenges and think out of the box, and it helps and motivates the students to respect diversity across the world. I learned most of this during my exchange year to United States. After teaching in a private school and devising curriculum, I had the opportunity to discuss this with the team at Society for International Education. They helped me to plan a training of trainers teaching Global Perspectives workshop for YES alumni. It was a 2-day workshop that taught 14 YES alumni from across Pakistan the basic skills. We provided them with resource material in the form of lesson plans and trainer's manual for conducting classes for the underprivileged students. All the trained alumni took the pledge to train 100 students of grade 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th in their respective communities.
I pledge to educate
about global perspectives
to more than 100 students.
I pledge to teach about global perspectives
to more than
100 students.
I got to learn how I can connect with students with different intellectual levels and how I can help them teach the topic so they can inculcate that in their personal lives.
And how we can teach them some basic 21st century skills, for example, global perspectives, peace and conflict, and different like sustainable development goals, and how we can reach out to them. That's something that is different from what they learn in their regular classrooms.
However, with immense gratitude, I can say that we have reached out to almost 2,619 students in a span of 3 months across 10 cities of Pakistan. All these 2,619 students were provided with Global Perspectives workbooks and Certificate of Appreciation for participating in the workshop.
The one thing that I was very shocked about was their ideas. I never expected such a good feedback and this excitement that they had about learning all this about global perspective.
And the smile on their faces actually used to make my day, and I think that was the best part.
मुझे ये अच्छा लगा कि दूसरों की राय हमें राय का एहतराम करना चाहिए।
हमने इस लेक्चर में सीखा कि हमें किसी को शक्ल और सूरत से अलग नहीं देखना चाहिए। हम एक जैसे सारे मुसलमान हैं, तो हमें एक दूसरे की कौम और नस्ल की वजह से एक दूसरे को अलग नहीं करना चाहिए कि ये हमसे बुरा है, ये कद में छोटा है तो ये हमसे बुरा है। और ये
सबसे मेन चीज़ पेशेंस थी जो मैंने सीखी, और सबसे अच्छी चीज़ बिकॉज इसने एग्जाम्पल ली थी कि 9 और 6 अगर उसमें भी हम पेशेंस नहीं रखेंगे तो लड़ाई शुरू हो जाएगी। इसलिए हमें हर चीज़ में पेशेंस रखनी चाहिए। पेशेंस हर चीज़ का सबसे अच्छा सोल्यूशन है।
I used initiative reflective dialogue.
I used facilitated inclusive dialogue in my workshop.
I used address specific needs of a student during my workshop.
Through these workshops, I helped students unpack their misconceptions.